So I just wanted to hit the top 3 questions that you should be asking the listing agent that you are meeting with either online or in your home. And they should always be trying to connect with you on a Zoom call if they're not meeting you in your house. But the first one is, how many homes have you sold in the area in the last year? Do they have experience in your neighborhood, on your lake, in your community, in the area, or just in general? What is their experience, especially in your neck of the woods? The second question is, what is the marketing plan that you're going to execute for my property? Do you have a 10-point listing strategy to get your home sold quickly? I know I do, but it shouldn't just be the brokerage firm's listing strategy. We put you in the MLS, we put up a sign, and we wait to see if your house sells. I want to know strategically what you will do specifically for my property to set me apart from every other home out there. That's a question you should be asking the listing agent that you're interviewing. And number 3, how are you going to determine the listing price of my home? All realtors are not created equally. I just met with a couple the other day that said literally one agent never sent them one piece of paperwork. They pulled a number out of the air while sitting in their living room and said, well, I would list it for this. Didn't bring stats, didn't bring numbers, didn't pull out their computer. They just pulled a number from out of the air. The second realtor they interviewed basically gave them about 5 comparables, all of which were on water, and they were an off-water home. So again, look at what the agent that you're bringing into your house is giving you for comparables, because again, the statistics they use to price your home definitely matters, because price matters. That is your first impression when you hit the marketplace. So again, those are just 3 of what I usually tell people are the top 10 questions to ask a real estate professional when they're in your home. If you'd like the rest of the list, give me a call, and hopefully give me a call, and I'll tell you what I think those 10 questions are, and I will go through them with you one-on-one. Have a great day, and see you soon in the Northwoods.